host Drashti and I welcome you all once again to the India Maritime Week 2025 organized by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Well, I present to you the Nilayan Centre which was inaugurated in the august hands of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
नीलायन केंद्र आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता है।
निलायन केंद्र में आपका स्वागत है। आइए इस अनोखे अनुभव में अवगाहन करते हैं।
लंघयन्ति समुद्राणा लंघनीयांस्त एव हि। जो समुद्र पार कर पाते हैं वो उनका विकल्प नहीं, उनकी विधि का विधान होता है।
Yesterday, when Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated this immersive experience and when he actually stepped inside of the Nilayan Centre, the team curated it in such a way that as he took his step forward, the ocean kind of opened its way for the visionary leader. And let's have a look at what he had to say.
इतिहास साक्षी है कि जब भी भारत की मैरीटाइम कैपेबिलिटी मजबूत रही है, देश और दुनिया को इससे बहुत लाभ हुआ।
At its core sits the command center, a living globe that actually traces all the history, that of our traders, every port, all the harbors that kind of created history for our nation up till today, creating and opening networks of India globally. So this is where the story turns forward. The idea was to showcase that sustainability and technology aren't actually the opposites. They're quite some partners taking and steering India Maritime into the future. Well, this is where it actually gets very interactive. This book behind me is just not a book, but it actually reacts to you and also takes you through the entire history of Amrit Kal and the vision of 2047. It's actually holding history into your hands. Let's try this. Did you see that? Did you see that? Well, I had amazing fun meeting Captain Neelam. She's actually an AI avatar projected inside a holo box and the most impressive part of India Maritime Week where you can actually ask her all things India Maritime and she'll be able to answer. Do check it out. Hi, what is your name?
I'm Captain Neelam, your dedicated guide to India's maritime future. How can I help you navigate today?
Hi, Captain Neelam. Can you tell me what is India's vision for the next generation in global maritime?
Absolutely. India's vision is to be a global maritime leader by 2047. Smart ports, green shipping, digital innovation, and skilled youth. The focus is on sustainability and world-class competitiveness, as outlined in Amrit Kal and Vision 2030.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. Wishing you smooth sailing and fair winds.
Well, this is where you get to embrace the inside of the oceans, where every visitor gets a chance to become a sailor. They navigate the waves themselves and explore the wonders of the seas and the oceans right here. Look at that. What an enthralling experience it has been. Well, the Nilayan Centre is just not an experience zone, but it is also a glimpse of how India sees its oceans, not just as boundaries, but newer beginnings.